Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the remote ready. Make sure batteries are fresh and the display reads degrees F. Once done, find the Temp Plus and Temp buttons and look for small SET or C/F marking. Some models hide a tiny recessed config hole. Pressing these controls triggers the internal toggle, so keep your hand steady. If the C/F button exists, you will use it. If not, prepare to use a simultaneous press method that most remotes support. You now perform the actual toggle. Press and hold Temp Plus and Temp together for about 3 to 6 seconds. Many remotes treat that as the C/F command. Once the display blinks or shows a small C/F indicator, release both buttons and immediately tap power or the SET/C/F button to lock the choice. If there is a recessed config hole, use a paperclip to press the same SET function. This is simply an alternate finish by checking the display shows degrees C and adjust the set point to confirm correct readings. If the toggle did not stick, remove batteries for 10 seconds and repeat the press-hold sequence. Power cycling clears transient lockups. If you still see degrees F, perform a remote reset and then reprogram the remote to the air conditioner because resets erase learned signals. One tip: if the AC uses a wall thermostat or appliance setting, change both devices, since some systems override remote units.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.